Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're comparing Joplin versus Obsidian to help you figure out which note-taking app fits your workflow. So let's jump right in. Starting with Joplin. Joplin is open source and free, supports Markdown, file attachments, to-do lists, and device sync. It's known for its simplicity and accessibility, making it perfect if you want a straightforward, no-fuss note-taking experience. Then on to Obsidian. Obsidian focuses on knowledge management. It comes with bidirectional linking, and it comes with graphic view as well, customizable themes and plugins. And the app lets you connect nodes into a web of knowledge, which is ideal for building a personal knowledge base that grows over time. But what is the difference? Joplin is simpler and easier to set up, great for basic notes. Obsidian is more advanced, perfect if you want deep connections between ideas and are comfortable managing local markdown files. Obsidian also uses a freemium model with extra paid features, while Joplin is completely free. Which one should you actually choose? I want to say you want to go with Joplin if you want an easy, open source, no fuss node app, and choose Obsidian if you want powerful knowledge management tools and don't mind a steeper learning curve. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.